Hey everyone, welcome back. So last month, the Honor Watch 4 made its debut in China and it's been making headlines ever since. Now the smartwatch has finally arrived in Europe, but there's a catch. It seems that the European version is missing a key feature that made it so special in China. Let's dive in and find out what's going on. The Honor Watch 4 comes with an impressive set of features that got everyone talking when it launched in China. It features a beautiful 1.75-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 450 by 390 pixels, offering vivid visuals with a pixel density of 340 ppi and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. Additionally, it has an aluminum frame that gives it a premium look and feel. Now here's where the European version differs from the Chinese one. The Chinese variant offers eSIM support, allowing users to have independent cellular connectivity without pairing with a smartphone. This means you can make calls, send messages and receive app notifications directly on the smartwatch. Unfortunately, the European version lacks eSIM support, which means you will need to have your smartphone nearby to use these features. Along with missing eSIM, the European version of the Honor Watch 4 also lacks Wi-Fi connectivity. Instead, users in Europe will have to rely on Bluetooth 5.2 to connect their smartwatches to their smartphones for features like calling, messaging and receiving notifications. On the bright side, the Watch 4 retains its health and fitness capabilities. It has 5 ATM waterproof, making it suitable for swimming, and it comes with various health monitoring features such as heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring and sleep tracking. Battery life is always crucial for any smartwatch user. Honor claims that the Watch 4's 451 mAh battery can last up to an impressive 14 days with typical usage. But what does typical usage mean? Well, it includes continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, weekly Bluetooth calls and music playback, GPS activated training, yeah, it had GPS, messages, calls and alarms. That's quite impressive. So how much will the Honor Watch 4 set you back in Europe? Well, it's currently available on the French website for 150 euros, including taxes. But there's a slight limitation in color options, as it's only offered in black for the European market. In conclusion, the Honor Watch 4 has finally made its way to Europe and could launch soon in India. However, the absence of eSIM support and Wi-Fi connectivity might disappoint some users who are expecting the same experience as a Chinese version. But hey, it still offers a stunning AMOLED display, great health features and incredible battery life. So if those aspects appeal to you, the Honor Watch 4 might still be worth considering. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.